Good morning. Refrigerators are the topic today. We have the Dometic that needs quite a bit of attention, and our TruckFrig that is a possible replacement. We're going to try to make some ice. The cycle is 1 minute on, 3 minutes off. We're powering it since our Danfoss controller is no longer operating under DC current to drive our three-phase compressor. We're having to resort to using an inverter powered by Dell's laptop batteries that are being supplied by 2.7 amps from our solar panel. It's about an 80-watt solar panel. We've seen up to 3 amps, 4 amps of power. Today we'll hopefully get a little bit more. We're on an on cycle again. We're going to try to freeze some water. Charging our batteries. Well, they're sagging even despite 2.9 amps. We'll hopefully try to get back up to 12 volts. We have 300 amps of battery power for the inverter, which is probably 60% efficient. Today's exercise.